Wuntie Ahenkan 93.3 FM, the best in the East. Yawo Akyem Oda.
One question, you be chow so.
President, MC, so you know, not more connects our for you
Management team, my name. The member of the management team, head of nursing, deputy director of nursing services, Augustina Bwedu Amwa, Regina Menim, Regina one name, Mama Papa. You are fed there, you bet you my auntie. Bonnet, you buy a ye ma. You cook it to trust them, they cook it to a mamma's through. A ye ma kuno, a ye qua a MPP. Na ye mammy, any and doffo, Mrs. Henrietta Acquah, and I didn't at all, so a MP, the year. But I did see Kunan Cassani say, 10 1 year campaign, and they at Uncle Primus, Akoyi Yampino. Na, I say, your mammy now only in one that I crave you must have near it. It's a young so your dream who say. Obama dia wa bobra akona nimu no na oba mpai bo ni bi etai na chi. Amen. That's right. The mission. And na ye na ekwan ni mo ya ho dia ma ye MCA. O won sem ba ko mienu bi. Na ye abata ye kaka ma eda. Na mo di we aye ekwan amabo. Ye ka ne say afofro nhwe na won suam. Honorable MP. Thank you.